squishies and like my desk, but like I'm showing you all my squishies. First, I love this shirt. I kind of had to nail glue them, but like he has slime in there. It's pretty good. Yeah. I keep them in this because I don't want my cats getting at them. It's kind of hard getting your cats to a squishy and then completely wrecking it. So we have this one. This one is like really old though. Like I found it just when I was moving. Yes, because I moved. And so yeah. We have that one. Yeah, because it's gonna say sound every day. I have my dumpling. It's kind of dirty right now. But like so like he pops on me. And that's all. I think the whole is. Yeah, right. And then we don't really have a lot of squishies. Like, I don't really have a lot of squishies. But this one is fixed. Again, like nail glue does the job pretty well. Which I have nails there. Only because I don't want to keep them in their container. It's kind of weird. Trashy. So like, yeah. I have this one. I need to go cut it again. So yeah. Okay. I opened up. I thought it was like a spray thing that I made. It's like conditioner and water together with a little bit of soap, which I should go empty right now. Taking me with me. My house. It's a bit of my house, but yeah. This is as much as I can show you because there's a mirror. This mirror. And I can't show my face, so yeah. Opening. I want the switches. Go in. Alright. That one. Go for it. And then, like, here-ish. Yeah, it's kind of clear. And thankfully they're big enough that they cannot fall down and drink, so like, yeah. I'll put that there. Kind of a struggle. One hand. And then get to rid of this. Or like get to what you're doing with. But yeah, that's about it. Bye.